Gadi. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm alright. Thank you so much. Right now, where are you from?
Right now, I'm live in Lebanon. Okay.
But originally, are you Palestinian?
Yes.
Alright. As you are Palestinian, Palestinian meaning is very immense sympathy from Muslim communities and as well as from me also.
Yeah.
But I have some question about Palestinian. If you know, when did you come in Lebanon from Palestine?
I'm born in Lebanon. You know. I'm
Oh.
born in Lebanon. I can't see Palestinian never. I can't travel to Palestinian never. You know.
I understand now. So your parents is Palestinian, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. But why your parents just leave Palestine? For what?
Because I can't. Because the life it will be.
I understand. So you can't really explain through this life just because of getting banned. That's all. You won't really say anymore. Anyway, what do you do for yourself right now? Are you a student or you are involved in any business?
I don't have business. Since when now in Lebanon we are born from, you know, I can't say the country, you know, here I can't say anything because I will block.
Oh, you will get really blocked. Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, I'm talking about this and I can't tell you anything here.
Okay, I hope you are safe right now.
Yeah, not actually, but we are.
Why you are not really safe?
Here it's not safe because we are near Palestine, okay?
Yeah,
and we are. It's bombed.
Dear sister, you are living just right beside of the border. And that's why always you have to really stay in high caution when bombs just come into your house. Nowadays I see that it's getting really red over the Lebanon. Once I had a conversation with a Palestinian who lived in tent. You know the tent? She doesn't have any house, just stay in tent. So she asked for help, like the winter season is coming, but she asked some money to buy a better tent, better clothes, so that they can get comfortable to pass the winter season. But I also asked how could I send the money to yours, but I'm not really getting the person. I'm very sad. My Bangladeshi people wants to help all Palestinian, and if you ask for help from us, so I can manage this, as you are not really safe. So if you need any help financially, I can manage from Bangladesh. Bangladesh people are very good to Palestinian.
Now I can't leave Lebanon, you know.
So let me know, where do you want to live?
Because my parents here and I didn't have anything to travel to any country. We need money to, and now I didn't have money to leave Lebanon, my house here, I can't, you know.
I understand, sister. Anyway,
I'm sorry, I'm so tired. Really, I want to sleep now because really I'm so tired and I am ill. I want to go. Really, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I really guess that is you are no longer just to do something in this place where you are living right now because of the nowadays the vulnerable situation. You want to leave this place to be secured more from any kinds of oppressed by the apartheid country.
In Bangladesh, we don't have a house. We don't have money to live. You know, here in Lebanon, we have work. We have everything. It's not my country, you know.
I got.
You can travel to any place, and you can with your family, with your children, with your, you know.
Yeah, I understand, sister.
The children
Yeah.
need to study, to go to the school. It's so difficult now.
Everything is getting too much worry. No worry, it's okay, my dear sister. So tomorrow or any other day we will have conversation.
Yeah.
But think about, I am just giving you an offer, that is, if you want to live in Bangladesh with your family, you can discuss with your family. Okay, I can manage this.
Okay.
Okay, so
Thank you, really thank you. And
Okay.
nice to meet you.
okay, nice to meet you also.